Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Hope you guys are keeping well. And today I'm going to review the ZEN Dac Signature Combo Set HFM HiFiMan. Now, if you haven't got HiFiMan headphones exclusively, this still works with that. But they do a combo set for Meze headphones and also for the Sennheiser HD 600 series. So you have some options. But what's special about this? Let's go and look inside the box. I'll also compare it to, at the end, we'll talk about how it compares to the Gryphon. Are you better taking something like this or something like this? Let's go check it out. So here we have the iFi ZEN Signature Set. So this has the DAC version 2, the ZEN Can HiFiMan, plus a special 4.4mm cable. So there's a lot of specifications which are on the back here, and the best thing really is you can look these up on their website. I'll leave a link, iFi's website, I'll leave a link in the description box. But what I really want to talk about is the sound quality and the difference using this specific one for HiFiMan headphones. I will talk about sound quality once I've gone through everything that you've got in the box. So there's 3 pull-out sections. The first is this one here, where you get this wonderful cable. Look at the quality of this. This is a 4.4 to 4.4, and so I'll talk more about that. Now I've had to repackage this all up just to show you what you get in each. Take one side. I will be mentioning the sound quality versus their Gryphon as well. So some of you asked that before I did this. So first of all, you have the ZEN Can Signature, the amp in there. The other box that comes out is the ZEN Dac Signature. So let's unbox these very quickly, show you what you get in each. Right, so you get your little card, a box of accessories. You get a USB connection here, so you can connect that to other USB devices as an input. There's some RCA cables, and because this is the UK one, this is the iFi iPower X plug system, which is fantastic. I'm pleased they put that in there. Let's put the accessories back in the box. So let's take a look at the Zen Dac. Very simple. Here, you've got a knob that turns, just the pre-out volume. Rubber feet on the bottom. And here you've got your RCA plugs. 4.4 balanced, out, variable or fixed. This is MQA. Your digital input and your iPower goes in there. Just quickly, this does have full MQA decoding. Right, so let's look at the Signature ZEN Can HiFiMan balanced headphone amp DAC. And what it does say on this, it's got a tailored EQ optimization for HiFiMan headphones. I'll talk about that when I talk about the sound quality. It has analog inputs, 4.4 balanced or 3.5mm single-ended RCA. Analog outputs, 4.4 balanced. Headphone outputs, 4.4 balanced or 6.3 single-ended. Headphone corrections optimized for HiFiMan headphones. I've got loads of HiFiMan headphones and I've tested them all. X space to give you that spacious of a live concert atmosphere. So let's just open this very quickly. You get this lovely leaf, lovely instructions, tells you how everything works, what you need to know. Let's look at the accessories. So the accessories are quite simple. You get the 3.5 to 6.3 adapter, RCA cables like so, and you get the iPower X as well. Right, let's put all these back in the box. So you have the power match, so you can change the gain, your different inputs, on off button, 6.3, 4.4, and one press is the EQ optimizer for HiFiMan headphones, which is here, and another presses X space, or you press both. Or the third option is you can have HiFiMan EQ and the X space on at the same time. I will talk about what that does as well. On the rear, you have your balanced output, balanced input, single-ended input, and your power. These are obviously the RCAs. So what we need to do is talk about what these sound with, what this combo sounds like, not only with various different HiFiMan headphones at different price ranges and from HiFiMan, but also what this sounds like perhaps with some non-HiFiMan headphones. Welcome back, guys. So you've seen everything in the box. I'm now going to talk about how this set works and how it sounds. And I use a range of headphones from the HiFiMan Aria, Ananda, Edition XS, which I've got to review soon. I've just been using them in the background. Also the Sundara and the HE400 SE, as well as the Diva Pro in wired. So I've literally probably done most of the HiFiMan range of headphones that you're likely to use with this. So first of all, this is a fantastic looking combo set. I'm sure you've seen as I unboxed it how it looked. They're beautiful. I love the metal finish, really nice. Now in terms of sound quality, obviously it has all that power, all that finesse, so it has that iFi audio sound. It's a lovely warmish sound. It's got really good bass, and obviously you have this dedicated HiFiMan EQ curve, and I'll explain how it affects the different headphones in the range in a second. You also have the mids are phenomenal, really beautiful sounding vocals with the treble as well. Soundstage is pretty wide across all the headphones, and it really does lift those HiFiMan headphones that you've got and pushes them a bit further. But let's start with that HiFiMan special button, the EQ curve. Is it any good? Yes, depending on which headphone. So at the top end you have the Aria, and I've got the Stealth Magnet version. I would say the difference with the button on or off, hardly noticeable. So it's probably not even, you probably won't even notice the difference, so you could keep it off. Because the Arias are that good to start off with. As you drop down, you'll see a pattern here. If you have the Ananda or the Edition XS, it does make a slight difference, and a very nice difference. It's a tiny bit more bass, tiny bit more treble and mids, and just overall evens out the headphones to make them more enjoyable. No sharpness in the sound, just really lovely. As soon as you go under, so as soon as you start using things like the Sundara, the Diva Pro, or the 400 SE, as you go down into those categories, they make a big difference having that EQ curve. Sundaras have more bass that they didn't have before. It lifts the treble and the mids on the 400 SE. The same for the Diva Pro. So it's a fantastic option, but it's not in your face. But you do notice the difference before and after. So how does it compare to the Gryphon, which costs the same? From a spec point of view, this obviously has Bluetooth and a number of other features, whereas what you're seeing is purely wired from the combo set. The combo set also has the iPowerX power adapters, and that also helps enormously with the sound quality, and therefore it should be of no surprise that the wired combo set sounds better than the Gryphon. It's a no contest. You've got mains power, you've got the iPowerX, you've got the balanced design, the extra balanced cable that comes with it. It just has more dynamics, wider soundstage, better projections on the treble and the mids. Overall, a much better quality sound, and then you have that dedicated EQ curve for the HiFiMan headphones. Now, you might have some questions. I'll answer them all below. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care, guys. Bye for now.